Hello there, I'm back and welcome to another video. So I had somebody specifically request this, and some people have before. Do a hair tutorial video. Do a freaking hair tutorial video. So here you go. Here is how to get your hair long and lovely. Some of this advice might be common sense. Some might be advice you might not have ever found out. And some might be advice you can find on the internet. Yeah, seriously though. Everything I'm about to tell you are things I know from personal experience, hair experts, and the internet. So that's 3 sources right there. So when people ask me inevitably, where's your source, dude? Where's your source? I don't fucking need one. Deal with it, bruh. Okay, seriously though. So the first step to have long and lovely hair, this one might seem like I'm Catherine Obvious, but I'm not. Don't cut it. Stop cutting it. And like I said, that might sound obvious, but it isn't, because I know a lot of other people with long hair, when they talk to me about it, they're like, how often do you trim yours, man? Because you got to get a maintain cut. You got to trim it. You got to like all this shit. A lot of guys believe that. Like for like ideal hair growth, you got to like trim it up every once in a while. How is cutting your hair going to make your hair longer? That's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. And I had to bring that up first because a lot of people believe in it for some reason. So yeah. If you want long hair, don't get a haircut. That seems like common sense, but some people disagree with that, even though it's clearly freaking true. Because I haven't cut my hair in a year and a half, and look at it. I was freaking buzzed before. Anyway, step 2, washing it. Washing it. That sounds like simple, right? That's another Captain Obvious thing. When it isn't. Because there's a few things you need to do. 1, washing it every day. Nah, that's not what you want to do. I wash my hair every 2 days, every 48 hours, every morning, every other morning I wake up, I wash it. Because that's what you're supposed to do. Unless your hair is just naturally super oily. There are some people like that. You know what that means? Wash it every day then. And when you do wash your hair, use shampoo and conditioner. Use good shampoo and conditioner too. Don't use no bullshit. And it should be obvious what bullshit is. Shouldn't even have to point it out. The more ingredients, usually, the less healthy it is. I feel like that's just another common sense thing. But anyway, yeah, I use shampoo and I use conditioner too, because if you, like, when your hair is short and you're just starting to grow it, you don't need conditioner. But when you start reaching that awkward, like, period where it gets down to, like, right here and it starts getting in your face, use conditioner. It's going to help a lot. It makes it so smooth and so fluffy and so healthy. So I really recommend doing that. And another thing to have lovely hair and just healthy hair, don't wash it with hot water. Do not use hot water. You really shouldn't be taking hot showers in general. And now, people would assume like, oh, so you're saying I gotta get in fucking Holocaust experiment level cold water, like icy fucking bathwater. No, that's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm saying is use warm water. Warm water. Doesn't have to be cold. It can be warm leaning cold, warm leaning hot. Just use warm. Use the middle ground. Don't use hot water for your hair. It's bad for it. So those are really the pieces of advice I could give. And there's one more, but I don't even freaking remember it, to be honest. I feel like it's pretty important. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's one. When your hair does get long and you want to start tying it back, doing shit like that, don't tie it super tight, because that will make you lose hair. I've seen it happen. It's bad. I've seen that happen to people. It's very bad. And someone asked me, so do you like have your hair like that so you can hide your big ears? No, I don't. I don't at all. My ears aren't even big. Stop making fun of my ears. It's like people say I have a big nose. I don't have a big anything besides a big penis. So get the fuck out of here with that shit. Anyway, that's going to be this whole video. To wrap it up, don't cut your hair. Wash it every 2 days, maybe every 3 days if you're lucky. Some people every day, but usually 2 days is the sweet spot. Use shampoo, use conditioner, use good shampoo and conditioner. And yeah, don't be stupid. Don't tie it back super tight. Just treat your hair how you want to treat it, or how it would want to be treated. I feel like that makes perfect sense, right? Right? Anyway, that's going to be this whole video. Bye-bye.